Hello, little explorers. Today we're going to learn about something amazing that falls from the sky. Look, the clouds are getting darker and bigger. Do you know what that means?
I think it's going to rain.
Raindrops start to fall. Rain helps plants grow and gives us water to drink. It's like nature's shower.
Look at the raindrops. Let's dance in the rain.
Splash, splash. This is so much fun. And the trees are so tall now.
Wow, look at the flowers bloom.
Rain is very important. It helps flowers bloom, trees grow tall, and fills up our rivers and lakes. Without rain, the world wouldn't be as green and beautiful.
Look, a rainbow.
It's so pretty.
And sometimes, after it rains, we see a rainbow. Isn't that magical? So next time it rains, remember all the wonderful things it brings. Bye for now, little explorers.